Sorry about that. It's just that the camera seemed to thingy the time. Yep, we know, Aaron. So there was the disc earlier.
Well, how many discs have you got? 3?
Yeah, 3. Hold on, we've got to put the thing in. Active. Yeah.
That's a top DVD.
Yep.
With a thumbs up.
Yep.
Do you need hands with your spelling?
Spelling?
Fat May's name?
Oh yes, Dad.
T-T-F-A-T-M-E-H.
So that's Series 17. Next, South Park Series 20. This is the front, the spine, the back with the member berries. I don't watch South Park on TV because originally it's not on 5-star. I can have it on DVD. Right there. Let's take a look at what's inside. There's the inside of the with Garrison Trump and Gerald. There's Gerald trolling. Sheila Brofsky's shocked at him. Butters and Cartman. There's the discs. We've got disc 1. We've got disc 2. And then the list of episodes. Here we got Member Berries, Shank Hunt, The Damned, Wieners Out, Douche and a Danish, Fort Collins, Oh Geez, Members Only, Not Funny, and The End of the Civilization as We Know It. I think season 20 is the same time. There's Butters with the Wieners Out. So hold on. Yep, it's South Park. We got Red Dwarf, Series 12. The front, the spine, the back, featuring these episodes right there. Let's take a look at the discs. We've got disc 1, then we've got disc 2, hopefully. No, hold on, this is disc 2 and there's disc 1. I don't know why they put disc 2 over here for. Also, see if this has a inner cover as well. That's the good thing about DVDs, these Red Dwarf DVDs, these newer ones. And hold on. There it is. That is good. So I'm actually going to put this in as the actual cover. If I can fit it in. Still wait. new. Good cover. Yep, that's all the DVDs. Sadly was a two-parter because there was a cutout during the video by accident by my brother. Anyway, this is a Nintendo Sega CBBC. So, yep, this is Nintendo Sega CBBC CITV Disney Nixie and Brony signing out.